you amazing, beautiful people, and welcome back to another Diana Ankudinova reaction. And yes, of course I'm back. Of course I'm back. She is one of the best vocalists on this entire planet. Easily has one of the best, most unique voices ever, and has earned me as a lifetime fan. I will be a fan of this woman until the day I die. Absolutely incredible. One of the best talented vocalists I've ever witnessed, ever heard. And every single time I sit in this chair and I listen to her, I feel like my mind is being blown for the first time every single time. There is absolutely no one like this woman. I love her and I cannot wait to jump into another song. So here we go. My first time ever reaction to Diana Ankudinova with her song Blizzard.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Саваном белым вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной.
I don't know what it is about Diana, but when she takes that mic and she puts it to her lips, there's just something so special. Her voice, it just echoes, it bellows through the entire crowd. It bellows through my headphones like I'm standing in a cave with her and the whole thing is vibrating. It's absolutely mind-blowing how much talent is just in this one woman. I've said this before, it feels like she has like multiple voices inside of her, all fighting for control of the microphone all at once while she's there and singing. And it's just so mind-blowing. I have never, in all the artists I've heard a voice that even comes close to Diana's. She will go down in my life, in my opinion, as one of the best female vocalists on this entire planet. She's not one of the best female vocalists in Russia. She's one of the best female vocalists in the world. In the absolute world. This Russian vocal goddess, and I am in love with her voice. Absolutely in love. Absolutely in love. She is incredible.
Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым вьюга, где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Кружит белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
I'm rewinding. I am rewinding. I want to hear that again. I'm going back like 30 seconds. I want to hear that again. I want to hear that again. Man. Diana. I don't care what anyone says. You are a vocal goddess. You are amazing. Oh man, I'm sweating. I gotta take off my hat. Her voice just goes through your entire soul, man. Your entire soul. It can be heard across the echoes of history. It is incredible. It is incredible. Ah, man, I love this woman. I love this woman. I love this woman.
Белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзают снова я без тебя.
That was amazing. That was amazing. That was amazing. At the end, her stage presence is incredible. It's incredible. She doesn't even need to do much. Like, she's not like running around the stage, you know, jumping, waving her hands. She's not doing any of that. She just takes control right in the center of the stage and just moves and just looks at you and just controls the whole audience. Man, I've got goosebumps. I've got shivers down my entire spine. She is incredible. She doesn't feel real. She feels like something from your dreams. She feels like this, like, I don't even know how to describe it. It doesn't feel real, like some sort of singing spirit that wanders the forest, and you just like it's I can't, man. Somehow I've developed a stutter. There is a reason I've checked out so many songs by her, and I will continue checking out songs by Diana forever. Forever. I want to hear everything she's done. Everything. And it is because there is no one like her. She is incredible. And it is getting a bit more difficult to react to her songs, because I think YouTube isn't too happy at the moment, and it's been taking down quite a lot of Diana's songs on YouTube. But luckily, you amazing people have been sending me links to them on Instagram. I've got a few accounts uploading them, so I'm able to check out these songs, and I will always put the link to them in the description down below. So thank you. For any of you who want to talk to me or send me anything, just ping me a message on Instagram if you want to send me any of her songs. That's how I've been getting them. And man, I can tell you, no one is stopping me listening to her. She is awesome. I don't care. She is fantastic. Diana has literally one of the best voices I have ever heard. Ever. This woman, you can't even begin to describe her voice, can you? You just can't. You can't describe her voice. Oh man, I don't even, it's like she's like 1,000-year-old ancient being on this planet, you know? She's developed, and she's gone all over the world, over history, and developed all these different sounds from different people, and somehow learned to master all these different vocal elements, and then she's created this demonic and angelic combination of a voice that she then projects to the whole world. That's literally the best description I can give of her. And that is what I would say if anyone asked me, oh, who's one of the best vocalists on the planet? I would always put Diana's name in that sentence. Who's one of the best vocalists on the planet? Oh, well, you got Dimash and you've got Diana. Like, come on, you've got to put a name in there. It's just incredible. How can you sit here and listen to her? I don't understand how anyone could not love her voice. You sit here and listen to it and just hear that uniqueness, hear that passion, hear that soul in every single word she's projecting, and not just fall in love with this woman. It's truly incredible. Every song I listen to just seems to be better and better and better. There is no top to this mountain. We are just climbing, and everything just keeps getting crazier and better and more awesome and mind-blowing every single step of the way. Already I'm sitting here, big smile on my face, and I cannot wait to sit back in this chair and press play on another Diana Ankudinova song, because this woman is absolutely mind-blowing and will have my fandom, me, as a fan to the day I die, forever. I absolutely love her. Anyway, that my friends, that my brothers and sisters, that was amazing. That was amazing. Anyway, I love all of you. Have an amazing day wherever you are in the world. Stay safe, my friends. I love each and every single one of you. Thank you so much for supporting my little channel here on YouTube. You know, thank you so much for subscribing and helping us get a little bit bigger. I love all of you wonderful people. Have an amazing day. And as always, my friends, you right there will see me in the next video.